Hello aspirant, are you looking for the upcoming 2022 UPSC Civil Service examination? Then why did you late come join us? Here you can know that how you clear your prelims in your early stage. What our commitment is that mentorship always takes student-centric approach. That's why we give you individual for tutelage from foundation level up to interview stage. What we give you is that cost effective courses, expert feedback, updated current affairs, top-notch material, online and offline class availability. As we know, diversity of thought can change the matter of success, so we create for you such kind of environment which can make more interactive lectures. Although important factor which take the matter is that continuous monitoring what we have through our weekly test according to topic. Wise with answer writing practices. Hence what we believe that dedication and pride will make winners, so come on, join us for both of us victory.